How to fix Vanguard error van 2266 in Leagues of Legends? First step, completely close Riot Client and Leagues of Legends. Then restart your device. Once the restore complete after, open Riot Client, click profile icon, click settings. This page will appear. In this you need to click the Leagues of Legends. Click it, click repair and click start repair. And wait for some time. Is actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after it will throw up the message successfully repaired. Click OK and move on with next step. Click it. Next step, run Riot Client as administrator. Right click Riot Client. Click run as administrator or else click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator, click apply and OK. After completing, come to next step, open this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. Check how much free space is available on your device where League of Legends is installed. And right click, click properties, click tools and click check and scan the drive. Close it. Come to next step. Open settings. Click network settings. Click advanced network settings. Click network reset and click yes and reset it. Once the reset complete after, open run. Type the following text services.msc. Click OK. Hold down and search for VGC services. Right click, click properties. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. One more time right click and restart it. Once the restart complete after, move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click allow an app of users through Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings. Scroll down. Search for Leagues of Legends and Riot Client. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application is not having means you need to add the application. Click allow another app. Click browse. Go to C drive. Riot Client. You get the application. Add it. Add in the bottom side. And click OK in the bottom side. Once complete after, restart your device. Thank you.